So, here the question is the right to protection in respect of conviction for offences, including protection from double jeopardy and self incrimination, is covered under which article? Article 22, Article 20, 23, 21. So, the right answer is Article 20. Now, the question is which are the left articles which they are mean. So now Article 21. So Article 21 is protection of life and personal liberty. Okay. Article 22 is a protection against arrest and detention in certain cases. Okay. And Article 23 is about this is provision of tariff and human beings and forced labor. That is for Article 23. So now the question is these are all comes under part 3 fundamental rights, okay, in Indian constitution. And from 20, 21, 22, these three are means these are called the right to freedom. These are comes under right to freedom. So right to freedom comes from article 19 to 22. Article from 19 to 22 part 3 of the Indian constitution gives about the right to freedom. Okay. So till now we have learned about this is come from part 3 of the Indian constitution. 19 to 22 deals with the right to freedom. Okay. And now there are another thing to remember that these two articles, article 20 and 21, these are the two articles cannot be abolished or can't be suspended even during when we have emergency in our state or in the country. So during emergency these two articles cannot be suspended. These are very important point that which are the two articles cannot be suspended even during the emergency. So the answer is article 20 and 21 cannot be suspended during our emergency. So what we have done, the article 20 is the right to protection in respect of conviction offences. Article 21 is respect to the protection of life and personal liberty. Okay. And the important there's also article 21a. Article 21a